We're talking about simple sentences in this SCARFS video and what to do if you find you have a student who's using too many simple sentences. There's nothing wrong with them every now and then, but overuse can make it repetitive and boring. And so what can we do if we've identified that we've got a student who's using too many simple sentences? I'd like to offer you 3 strategies for the classroom. The first one is think aloud, which I've done a completely separate video on because I think this process is actually really valuable for simple sentences, but also for a whole range of other issues in the classroom. It's just a way of modelling the thought process for students. So you have the passage and then you talk through what you're thinking as you go through that process of editing and refining work. And that can kind of demystify the editing process and the writing process for students. So if you haven't seen that video, I recommend that to you. The second tactic that I'll mention is sentence stretching. So this one is about combining simple sentences where it's suitable for them to go together at a sort of passage level. But the other issue with students who fall into this category of overuse of simple sentences is to do with the level of detail in their writing. So these 2 strategies sort of address that side of the equation. Okay, so sentence stretching involves just giving the student, or putting on the board if you're doing it with the whole class, a simple little sentence, like the cat was sleeping, and then just using questions to prompt the students to add more detail to the sentence. So what sort of cat was it? What did the cat look like? Was it fluffy? Was it short-haired? Was it a Persian cat? How was the cat sleeping? Like, was it sort of a snooze, a light snooze? Was it heavy sleep? Where was the cat sleeping? Was it maybe on the windowsill or in the sunshine, whatever the case may be? How would you describe the sleep? Was it a peaceful sleep, a deep sleep? Okay, and then you can keep stretching that sentence. You can keep going until it gets ridiculous if you want. The point is to get the student to see how adding detail to your sentence can bring the scene to life that they're trying to describe. So the fluffy cat was snoozing peacefully on the windowsill is a lot more interesting a sentence than the cat was sleeping. So that's the second strategy. The third strategy is sentence puzzle. So with this, again, you just give a simple sentence like the girl ran. It's a complete sentence. And then that's a simple sentence. So you challenge the students to turn that into a compound sentence and then turn that into a complex sentence. Okay, so the compound sentence might be something like, when the girl ran away and her dog followed her. Okay, compound sentence. Complex sentence might be something like, when the girl ran away, the dog chased after her. Now, if you want a reminder, or your students want a reminder of the difference between simple, compound and complex sentences, then you can find those on the Grammar and Thongs channel. Just search YouTube or the school's literacy website for simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences. So there's 3 strategies to address students who are using too many simple sentences. Thank you.